Hello students. We were discussing about Human Genome Project. In the previous class, we have discussed about the methodology, methodology of the Human Genome Project, definition of Human Genome Project, goals of Human Genome Project in detail. So it is a multi-collaborated project. It has started by many countries. What was the goal also we have discussed, and today we are talking about the silent features of Human Genome Project. Silent features. What are the most important features of the Human Genome Project? So this concept is very important because it's very important. The examination you will be given for 5 marks question. You are supposed to write 7 to 8 points for 5 marks question. So let us begin. The first point, the human genome contains, as we know what is genome. Genome is the total number of genes present in a haploid set of chromosome is known as genome. So the human genome, it contains about 3164.7 million nucleotide bases. The data is written by red pen I wrote 3164.7. So point is not visible clearly, point is there. 3164.7 million nucleotides are found in a human genome. The second second silent feature is what? The average gene consists of 3000 bases. How much? 3000 bases. Average gene consists of about, it can accommodate about 3000 nitrogen bases, and among them largest gene is dystrophin, muscular dystrophin. The muscular dystrophin is the largest gene, which is made up of 2.4 million bases. So the data I wrote with the help of red pen, you concentrate on that data. So the largest gene of dystrophin is composed of 2.4 million bases. Next, there are about less than 2% human genome DNA is coding. Since we know that human eukaryotic gene consists of coding and non-coding, intron and exons. We know that in the human gene consists of intron and exons. Among them, introns are non-coding sequences, we know, and exons are coding sequences. So when we consider the gene, eukaryotic gene, there we come across coding, non-coding. But among them only 2%, less than 2% of human genome can code for the protein, and rest of the 98% is not going to code for protein. Okay, only 2% of the human genome DNA can be coding. So this is very less amount. After that, large portion of human genome DNA is made up of repeated nucleotide sequence. See, this point is very important. In the next video, I am going to explain about what are the repeated nucleotide sequence. So this is also called as VNTR. I have not written, but still orally I am telling. The large portion of human genome DNA is made up of what? It is made up of a repeated sequence. VNTR, variable number of tandem repeats, we also call them. Okay, repeatedly they are present. For example, ATCG, like that, AT, several times it is repeated on the DNA. Several times the nucleotides are repeated. So that sequence is called repeated nucleotide base sequence. Such repeated sequences are found in the human genome. So we come across many VNTR in the human genome. That we will be discussing in the next video. Next, so in the when 50% of genes are such that after the discovery of 50% of genes, the functions of 50% genes are not known, they are unknown. Scientists have discovered the genes, 50% genes, but the 50% genes functions were not known so far. This is another important silent feature of HGP. Then a chromosome chromosome I, it is not one. Chromosome I is the largest See, there are several chromosomes. Okay, so chromosome I, chromosome X, chromosome Y, like that. So the chromosome I is the largest chromosome, which can accommodate about 2968 genes. Such a large chromosome it is, which can accommodate more number of genes. More number in the sense 2968. Since we know on the chromosomes the genes are located on the particular locus, isn't it? So on the particular locus genes are located, and about 2968 genes are accommodated on the I chromosome. Whereas the chromosome Y is the smallest one. So it is very smallest, considerably smallest, which can accommodate 231 genes. Very small number of genes are accommodating on the smallest chromosome called Y chromosome, and the largest chromosome is I and smallest chromosome is Y. So which can occupy only 231 genes. Okay, and the next point, about 99.99% of a nucleotide base sequence in some humans, they are